Hello children, good morning. This is Kameshwari. Welcome to video lecture classes. Children, I explained 1-2 lessons in the geography part. In this video, I want to start the new lesson, that is agriculture. Agriculture is important for every in country. In India, 70% of people are living based on the agriculture. Agriculture is the basic occupation of our Indians. Why 3 by 4th people are depending upon the agriculture? You see children, in the olden days onwards, our India gave a lot of importance to our agricultural development. Our governments nowadays also government is giving a lot of importance to development of agriculture. Agriculture is very important for our survival. Now let us discuss the word agriculture. In this lesson we will discuss what is the meaning of agriculture, what are the activities including in it, how many types of agricultures are available. These are all things we will discuss. Agriculture. What is the meaning of the agriculture is agriculture word derived from two Latin words. What are those? Are ager or agri and culture. Agri means soil. Agri means soil. Culture means cultivation. So agriculture word derived like that. Children, have you understood now what is the meaning of the word agriculture? Agriculture is the derived from agar or agri and culture. Agriculture means land, soil, cultivation. Now agriculture, a farmer produces one thing in its land. In his land he produces some of the products. Those products no one could not use directly. So many members changes its farm. In this way a finished product involves three types of economic activities. What are those activities including in agriculture is primary activities, secondary activities or tertiary activities. Those are the activities or sectors. Primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Now let us discuss what is meant by the primary sector. Primary sector includes all those connected with the extraction of production of a natural resource. Agriculture, fishing, mining, gathering, these are the good examples of primary sector. Next one is the secondary sector. Secondary sector means are concerned with the processing. It includes the manufacturing of steel, baking of the bread and weaving the cloth. These are all things. Sugarcane, suppose you take the sugarcane. Sugarcane was cultivated by the farmer, that is comes into the primary sector. But sugarcane no one did not use directly for your daily lives. How can we use as a form of sugar or jaggery? Who changes sugarcane into sugar or jaggery? Some of the factories or some of the areas. Okay, so those factories or those areas are comes into the secondary sector. Next one, the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector or the service sector. Tertiary sector or service sector. It gives the support the primary sector and secondary sector through the activities. through the activities of the territory sector. What are coming in the territory sector is banking services, transport, trade, insurance, and advertising. These are all the examples of the territory sectors. Children, have you understood now what are the three sectors including in agriculture? Primary sector, secondary sector, and territory sector. Okay, now it is the first, farming, that is the primary sector, and manufacturing, that is the secondary, and transport, it is the service sector or territory sector. Now let us know more about the primary sector. Okay, what is that primary sector? Agriculture is the primary activity, the first, whatever you prepare, agriculture is base of all the products. Agriculture is the primary activity. It includes growing crops, fruits, vegetable, flowers, and rearing livestock. What is the meaning of agriculture? Only growing crops, farming. Along with that, rearing livestock also. That is known as our agriculture. In the world, total in the world, 50% of the persons in our India, I told clearly, 70% of people depending upon our agriculture. In our India, along in the world, 50% of people are engaged in agriculture activity. 2/3 of India's population is still depend upon the agriculture. In our India, 2/3 of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. Okay, farming is based on the favorable topography of soil and climate are vital for agricultural activity. Okay, which type of areas agriculture can be done by the people? Favorable temperature or soil. If the soil is too fertile, those areas you can cultivate the land, that soil gives us lot of production. And soil and climate, what includes climate means water, rainfall. Which areas receives the lot of rainfall, that areas are suitable for some type of crops. Okay, such type. And temperature also, some areas receives the lot of temperature from the sun. Such areas are suitable for some crops. Some areas receives very little amount of temperature, so such type of areas are suitable for some type of crops. What are those crops? In the next lesson I will explain to you. Okay, so in the farming, in the agriculture, the soil and climate and topography, these are the important factors play an vital role. The land on which the crops grown is called as arable land. Arable land. In our India, all the areas are not suitable for all the types of crops. Some areas are suitable for some crops. The land which supports to do agriculture, that is called the arable land. Arable land, the spelling ARABLE. Arable land means the land which supports to do agriculture. Okay, which land is not suitable that cultivation, that is called the wasteland, you know very well. Okay, in the world, what areas are suitable for cultivation, agriculture? Now let us see. Here in this world map, some places are drawn in green in color, shaded in green in color. Those areas are suitable for arable lands of the world. Okay, in South America, North America, very few areas, and Africa, some of the areas, and India and Europe continent, this Australia lands. So these green color areas, green color shaded areas are arable land. Remaining areas are not suitable for cultivation. Okay children? Okay children, have you understood? In this video, I explained you the primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector, and what is the meaning of arable land, arable lands of the world also I shown you. In the next lesson, we will discuss the same lesson. Thank you. Bye.